you're going to write aerospace engineering GIT. Okay. See, we have to be very sure. See, I'm seeing that. See, knowledge base is very big, students. Okay. If you just go on studying things, you will not prepare for GATE. Okay. I do know that I am going more deeper than a GATE coaching institute has to go. But the reason is not without seeing the GATE exam. My way is, if you understand the concept, you can do all the problems. Most of the GATE coaching institutes go with the thing that let us prepare for problems, let us do a bit of theory and a lot of problems. That is the approach of the most of the coaching institutes, that they do a bit of this one. They will take the formulas, they will make you understand how the formula has come, and then they will do a lot of problems. Okay, my way is, you understand the concept very nicely, okay, and do few problems. You will be able to solve any problems for that matter. Okay, provided you develop problem solving skills. For developing a problem solving skills, what is the method I'm doing? I am not solving all the problems, I'm making you solve the problems. Okay, when you are made to solve the problems, what develops in you is the problem solving skills. Most of the students fail because they don't have problem solving skills. Okay, whenever things are told in the class, we explain the questions, people understand it fantastically, and they will have a high confidence that we can do it. But when it comes to solving actual thing, they will be failing on even the simple ones. Correct? So what is important? You are getting the answer of the problem is not important, because answer anyhow you can get. Getting the answer by yourself is important. That develops the problem solving skills. Is that clear, students? Okay, so do not go on searching for problems. Okay, searching for problems, searching for solutions. Go for solving the problem. See whether you can solve that in that particular time. Okay, so be very realistic. Okay, do not go in that mode that because I have the problem, similar problems will come in GATE. No, it may not come. Okay, even if it comes, you may not be able to solve. Okay, until and unless you solve the problem by yourself. Okay, and it takes time. It takes time. It's not easy. We are going from one level to the other level. Going from one level to the other level is painful. I do agree it is painful for you people. Okay, but there is no other way, because it is like a oyster. Sometimes oyster has to come out of the shell. Okay, when an oyster has to come out of the shell, it is painful. Birth is painful. Anything which is very difficult is painful. Correct? So the world goes through pain. If you go through the pain, only then you'll get success. Okay, this is like just like your say a female, okay, having a pregnant female. Okay, what happens? You have an idea now, okay, that is there in your stomach now. Okay, you have that dream that you have to score first rank in GATE. That is your dream. Okay, that is in your stomach now. Okay, you have to nourish it, and when it comes, it is really painful, really painful, but rewards are equally good. Okay, yes. Next, let us go further, students. Yes.